Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me Mr. Donald. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain you about the use of simple present tense or the function of simple present tense for general truth. One of the functions of simple present tense is to express general truth. Okay. Salah satu fungsi dari simple present tense adalah untuk menyatakan kebenaran umum. For example, the earth goes around the sun. Bumi mengitari matahari. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Matahari terbit di sebelah timur dan terbenam di sebelah barat. Ice is cold. Es itu dingin, etc. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully because I'm going to tell you a short story related to the use of simple present tense to express general truth. Okay? After that, I'm going to ask you some question about it. So you must try to listen and memorize it. Okay? Now, please listen to me and memorize. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises every morning. When the sun rises, it is day. In the evening, the sun sets. The sun sets in the west. When the sun sets, the moon begins to shine and the stars begin to twinkle. It is night. Alright. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Okay? Well, every morning the sun rises. The sun rises in the east. When the sun rises, it is day. Well, the sun sets in the evening. After the sun sets, the moon begins to shine and the stars begin to twinkle. It is night. Alright. Do you still remember? Well, I'm going to ask you some questions now about it. Well, question number 1. Does the sun rise in the east? Question number 2. Does the sun rise in the west? The next question. Does the sun rises every morning? The next question, please. Does the sun set in the west? Well, after the sun sets, does the moon begin to shine? The next question. After the sun sets, do the stars begin to twinkle? Well, the next question. Where does the sun rise? The next question. Where does the sun set? The next question. When does the moon begin to shine? When does the moon begin to shine? The last question, where do the stars begin to twinkle? Alright? Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must have partners to practice your English. Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.